Well, it's been a long time since I did an update on the house for Kitty. It kind of got stuck in one stage for a long time. We didn't really do much. But recently we just did the floor, which means I could do the bathroom. I'm still working on that, but anyway, this is the update. So, well, let's start here. This is the bathroom door. I have to put a groove on the bottom here because it's going to be a sliding door. It's going to be like slide, shump, shump. It's not going to open in. That is the paint I made from red clay. It went fine all the way around until I experimented a different way of doing it, putting it on a bit thicker, and it all fell off. So I have to do this wall again. I'm going here, and this is the floor. The floor has been done. These nice tiles. This is all the stuff that was in the bathroom, that's all the tools. So there's the kitchen here. Again, it's just all tools and stuff. We're going to have the extractor fan, fridge, the double gas thing here. Sink is going to go there. The electricity is going to come in up along here. That's where I've got my computer temporarily, because this is not my zone, this is Kitty's zone, but for now. There's going to be a cupboard there, and this is the toilet. I'm just waiting for the seal which goes underneath the toilet to seal it to the ground, then I can put it on properly. And it's the shower that Kitty wanted, like the kind of rain shower thing. The gas heater is going to be mounted on the wall on the other side here, on the other side of this wall. So we have hot and cold water. And then here it's going to be the sink. It's going to be like one of those, like, it's just like a big round basin. It's made of porcelain. It just sits there. The hole here goes through here. This is me white with blue. Kind of that kind of matching the wall is kind of lumpy. We've made it kind of uneven. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of uneven. Just give it more of a rustic look. So, and the tiles I think look kind of cool. So that's that. That is fish. Say hello, fish. Good girl. And then up here is Kitty. She's going to be hiding.
Yeah.
There's Wakanda. Hello, Wakanda. Wakanda forever! So Kitty's got her little nest here. She's hiding behind her mosquito net. She's got a computer set up. And that's the bed there. Kitty's bed. And her fan. We don't have windows yet. We have to put windows in, so we're going to have 3 windows here, 2 windows there, and over there we're going to have 2 windows. They're just big empty holes at the moment. And there's Wakanda again. Wakanda! So, that was an update. Oh yeah, that's the extractor, the sink, and the cooker. Goes the gas and the cooker. Yeah, that's it. The story so far. Kind of looks cool.